Hey our friends, in this video we're going to build a dumpling. Now this is supposed to look like one of those squishy viral dumplings. Now open up your Minecraft world and let's get into it. Now welcome to the Art for Kids Hub table. We got the camera over there, we got the background and the logo. It looks pretty awesome. Now let's get into the build. The blocks that we're going to use are smooth sandstone stairs, smooth sandstone slab, and then we're going to use a birch slab, stripped birch wood, birch stairs, black concrete, pink concrete. Then we're going to use a loom, a black banner, pink dye, and white dye. Now we're going to make this dumpling floating. It'll look better, I promise. You'll see. Let's start off in the middle and we're going to place just one block like this. And then with slabs, we're going to go out with the smooth sandstone slabs. We're going to go out 3 blocks, 1, 2, 3, and then 3 blocks on this side, but with the birch slab, 1, 2, 3. And then we're going to break this center block and then replace this with the birch slab. Now this should be floating. Now with our smooth sandstone, we're going to start on the left side and build 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blocks. And then right here, we're going to do the stripped birch wood and place 2 of them right here. Now on this right side, we're going to use the birch stairs and do upside down birch stairs on the side. Then on the left side, we're going to do upside down smooth sandstone stairs. Now on this next level, I'm going to fly a little bit. We're going to go 1, 2 blocks, and then we're going to do a pink block. Then we're going to do stairs like this, and then we're going to look at the top part of this stair at this angle with the smooth sandstone slab and place it. So it should be hovering like this. Now we're going to do stairs going this direction, so you can kind of see the smile starting right here. Next, we're going to place pink concrete right here. Then we're going to do smooth sandstone, and then the stripped birch log. Let's do the next layer. We're going to just do sandstone, then black concrete. Then we're just going to do sandstone. It's kind of hard to say fast. Then we'll do another black concrete, then finish it with sandstone. Now this next layer is going to be super simple. We just go all the way across and just do a full layer of the smooth sandstone. Now we're going to go in 1 block and then do another layer, but then leave 1 block right here. Then this next layer, we're going to switch to the stairs. We're going to place 1 stair at this angle, and then we're going to do 1 block, then a stair this angle, then another block, and then a stair this angle. There we go. We almost got the dumpling, except we need better eyes. We're going to make these eyes look super cute. But before we do that, let's go to the back, and we're just going to place some black concrete right here. And it'll make it so the mouth is black, so it looks a little bit better. Now it's time to show you how to make the super cute eyes. We're going to go into a loom with our black banner. We're going to place it in here, grab our pink dye, scroll to the bottom, and then this one right on the corner, we're going to click it, and it should look like this. And we're going to take it, put it back in, and then we're going to put the white dye in there. And then this third one over should be this one. And you should see the white square in the corner. That's for the highlight of the eye. We're going to take it and let's put it right on top. There we go. That gave our dumplings so much more life and makes them look so much cuter. Now that's it. That's how you build one of the super cute dumpling squishies. Now this is a 2D flat version of the squishy. Just so you know, on my channel, Catch Me Up, I show you how to build a full 3D version of it. And it's not just a 3D version, it's also a fully functional house with a redstone door. So after this video, go check it out at Catch Me Up. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you later. Goodbye!